is also a power bank. You can use this to charge your phone, your electronic devices, and cameras, laptops, really, about anything. This is the battery. This is a lithium battery. If you look here to the side, we have a few ports. This is the input, a 15 volt 1 amp. This is on output, 12 volt 10 amp output. This is 19 volt 3.5 amp, and this is probably what you'll use to charge your laptop. We have two USB ports. That's a 5 volt 2 amp, and this is a 5 volt 1 amp. For a fast charge, you'd want to use the 2 amp output. Over here we have a flashlight. That's an LED flashlight. That has the button on the side. If you press it, that's the flashlight. If you press it again, you'll see a flashing. So that's a strobe light. And then you press it a third time, it will flash, but that's a SOS signal. Press it again, it'll turn off. So it needs a little bit more charge. Cables to jump start the car. And you plug this one right here. We have an adapter to charge it. You would charge this, you plug it into the input, and you'll charge it from the cigarette lighter, but make sure your car is running, or otherwise you're going to drain your car battery. Here we have a cable. This has a USB adapter, and then these adapters on this side that will charge Apple and Android devices. Also, these are the adapters basically to cover most laptops. So we're gonna jump start this Mercedes, but on this car the battery is on the trunk. So let's head over there. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna test the GoooLoo jump starter. What we need to do is plug in the jumper cables, and they only go one way. If you look here, it's fully charged. What you need to do on the side, you need to press that little button that says boost. Positive. We will disconnect the negative battery terminal and connect this directly.